First, a backlog in the Illinois firearm identification card processing system catching the attention of state lawmakers. Good evening and thanks for watching. I'm Mark Welp.
And I'm Kimberly Eaton. State representatives from the Illinois GOP questioning the slow process, saying law-abiding gun owners and businesses are hurt most. WBD's Austin Schick shows us how a local gun store owner is affected.
Mark, Kimberly, the former owner and now salesman at Midwestern Firearms in East Peoria, tells me his store offers applications for FOID and concealed carry permits. Now, he says recently it's taken those who apply close to a year before they're legally allowed to purchase anything from his store. A long list of gun owners waiting to legally purchase firearms in the state of Illinois having its effect on local gun and ammo store owners.
It's wrong that they have to wait months and months to get that approval when, you know, it's our constitutional right.
According to the Illinois State Police, it takes an average of over 120 days to process FOID card applications. And without a FOID card, salesmen like John Meek can't make a profit.
We have to see a FOID card in order to sell ammunition. So if someone comes in and says, I've applied, it's ideal if they have the receipt.
Illinois State Police say the pandemic has slowed their processing while nearly 450,000 applicants wait to receive their cards.
We're the only state that requires a FOID card. It's a way of suppressing gun ownership.
Republican lawmakers across the state saying the #1 call to their office is from gun owners, calling them, asking, where's my FOID card? GOP members say it's infringing upon people's Second Amendment rights, saying Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker needs to do more, and COVID-19 can't continue to be the excuse.
I understand that it's extended time, but we weren't even hitting the mark before COVID started.
The FOID card is currently being challenged in court, and GOP politicians say they are sponsoring legislation to revoke it.
And it's done nothing to curb gun violence in Illinois since its creation back in the 1960s.
In 10 years, ISP says the number of FOID card holders has increased from 1.2 million people to 2.2 million. The state police also say to date they've processed over 216,000 FOID applications.